She's a white girl.
She's a white girl.
No, you like grab here and swing on.
There's no way.
It's not that hard.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. You're doing this? Am I standing up?
Your deal.
Well, I don't know.
It's like a couch.
Proud of yourself.
Tessa's very proud of herself.
Oh, she's kind of narrow.
Was the last time you did this when you were vaulting on like a Clydesdale?
Oh,
Okay, cocky.
let's do that.
And now backflip, and there you go.
I didn't
No,
get
I
a
can't.
still. I didn't get a still picture of you clear up there. My camera wouldn't take one.
No,
I'm gonna like
oh my
hit
god,
the side
okay,
of
let me
her.
try.
Go, Dawn, go.
Okay, ready?
Good job, Dawn. Nice. Nice.
Can I try around the world now?
Yeah, totally. Go for it.
Girl Bella.
That is much more graceful.
I don't think I want to stand up. Is it hard?
Oh, come on. Just do it.
Like, put your legs back. I don't have very good balance and I have shoes on.
Come on. Bark, 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 bark. Ready? Ta-da!